In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL headphones to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the Xbox console that you have, Xbox One, Xbox Series S, or Xbox Series X, you will be able to connect and use your JBL headphones. So this will be done primarily in two ways. If you have a licensed headphone that is designed to work with Xbox, it's either going to be wired or wireless, and I'm going to show you how to set them all up. If you have a set of JBL headphones that are not designed to work with Xbox consoles, I'm still going to teach you what to do. So first, for basically every single wired headphones, you will be able to connect them by using the 3.5mm headphone jack. So all that you have to do is connect one end of the cable into the JBL headphones and the other one goes into this port on the controller. There's no secret to this. Immediately upon establishing this wired connection, you will be able to listen to everything on your Xbox through the JBL headphones. And even if you have ones that aren't designed to work with Xbox, as long as you do a wired connection, they should still function without any issues. Now, if you want to use them wirelessly, they will need to have the designed for Xbox symbol. This is because Microsoft only allows verified headphones to be connected. An example from JBL would be the Quantum 360X. This specific set of headphones is designed to work with Xbox consoles, and they have the Microsoft approval seal. So all that you have to do here is use USB dongle, plug it into any of the available USB ports on your console, and upon powering on the headphones, they should automatically pair themselves with the receiver here. Now, if you want to use a set of wireless JBL headphones, but they are not designed to work with Xbox, then this is going to be a little bit more difficult, because as it stands today, most wireless JBL headphones are going to be connected over Bluetooth, but the Xbox consoles do not have Bluetooth support. So one alternative solution is to connect the JBL headphones to your TV, and because the TV is receiving audio from Xbox, you will now consequently be able to use your JBL headphones. So to do this, go into the sound settings on your TV, go into sound output, and look for the option to connect a Bluetooth speaker. In here, you will be able to set up and connect your JBL headphones. Again, this is only needed if your specific set of JBL headphones do not have the designed for Xbox sticker or symbol, because like I said, if Microsoft did not approve a specific manufacturer, they cannot use their Bluetooth headphones on an Xbox. So you only have to do this if your specific set of JBL headphones needs to be connected over Bluetooth, or you want to use them wirelessly, but they cannot be connected to the Xbox natively. And of course, if you have a set of wired headphones, it's as simple as plugging it into your controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL headphones to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.